This is my Appreciation Inquiry Week 3 presentation. First, I want to talk about Operation ASHA, their Appreciation Inquiry 40 model. So Operation ASHA basically saw the opportunity for more accessible and affordable healthcare when treating tuberculosis in India with their underprivileged areas, and they envisioned a world where everyone could get proper treatment. They found they could train local people to go door to door or use motorcycles in the villages, and they were able to treat these people suffering. And then we can use the 4D Appreciative Inquiry model from David Cooper Ryder's website to break down Operation ASHA's strength-based approach towards a sustainable future for India. So I kind of broke down their 4D model. So they basically seized the opportunity for the affordable and accessible tuberculosis treatment. They discovered that it's super affordable. They saw how it was being treated in communities in India that weren't so underprivileged and what resources that they actually had for the underprivileged areas. They dreamed of how treatment will look in the underprivileged areas, things like the motorcycles, getting to the villages, going door to door in the slums, and then they designed the specific ways that they're able to reach and treat these Indians in the hard to reach places. They implemented those designs, and now they have their program. For my personal Appreciative Inquiry 4D model, my problem and my rationale, which is obviously not Appreciative Inquiry, but to set it up, my family can't decide how to celebrate Thanksgiving due to COVID and travel issues. So my affirmative topic, my AI question, is when did we as a family feel most connected and happy celebrating the holidays, and how can we incorporate that now? For my discovery, we really appreciated things like home-cooked meals, the card games that we would play, and then just having everyone together. For my dream, obviously because of COVID, we can't all be together, so creating meals in our homes, kind of like with our own personal twist on them, doing Zoom calls and online games. And so for the design, we set up specific times and menus. We're going to create the Zoom rooms and then choose the games that we're going to play. And then the destiny/results is implementing design, acknowledging it's not the same, but it is better than nothing. For implementation using the 4D cycle, the priorities and possibilities developed by having conversations with my mom and sisters, using positive questions, saying things like, what was your favorite part of Thanksgiving as a kid, instead of demanding answers, for just figuring it out right away was something that was really important to me. Approaching this scenario with a positive idea. And then my measures of success were that we got Thanksgiving planned and we stayed positive while looking at the situation as an opportunity. Things that surprised me, it didn't end in a fight, which was kind of nice. As far as insight, when we look at possible problems as opportunities instead, we get along better as a family. Some insight that I got from doing this project was free choice, which defined by Whitney and Charleston Bloom in 2010 was people can choose how to engage and contribute in the change process. They then perform better and are more committed to the change. Basically by opening conversations of how to plan Thanksgiving with a question instead of just demanding answers, my family was able to get along and actually contribute. Future use, I'd like to bring AI into our work meetings that we have every month. I think it would help improve morale by offering strength-based changes when opportunities arrive. And then I'd like to incorporate the 4D model into more of my personal interactions. Some reflection that I had was that using AI is more than just strength-based and positive thinking to get solutions, but it's asking positive questions in order to make more genuine connections.